Hello and welcome to Pearls Valley Phonics Academy. Did you know that many children struggle with reading, not because they aren't smart, but because they are taught letters before sounds? Today, I'm going to show you the first 6 sounds of phonics that build the foundation of reading, by the teach them correctly, and how children can reading simple words. Let's begin. In phonics, we teach the sound, not its name, like S. The magic happens when they read words. We don't begin with S, instead we teach S. The sound is what children use. When children know sounds, they can blend them to read words. That is the magic of phonics. The first 6 sounds are S, A, T, I, P, N. These sounds are taught first because they can already create many words.
Let's learn our first sound. Listen carefully.
S.
Not S, just S. Example words: sun, snake, sock. Encourage your child to repeat the sound 3 times. Great job. Next is a short vowel sound.
A.
Example words: apple, ant, axe. Remember, don't stretch this sound too much. Keep it short and clear. Next sound.
T.
Use a gentle sound. T. Example words: tap, top, 10. Avoid saying ta, because adding an extra vowel makes blending harder later. Next comes I, short vowel sound.
I.
Example: insect, ink, igloo. Practice together. Now, P, soft popping sound. Example words: pin, pen, pot. Again, avoid saying p, just the pure sound. Last sound for today. Example: nest, nose, net. Excellent. Now your child knows 6 important sounds.
Now comes the exciting part, reading. Watch how we push the sounds together.
S. A.
Saw,
S. A. T.
sat,
I.
pea,
I.
pin,
T. I. T. I.
tip,
S. S. I.
see,
S. I. T.
sit,
T. T. A.
tar,
T. A.
tan,
A. A.
an,
A. T.
and,
A.
na,
A.
nap,
A.
pa,
A.
pan,
T. T. I.
tea,
T. I.
tin.
Allow children to hear each sound. Pause and let your child read. A few important reminders. Teach sounds before letter names. Keep lessons short. Practice every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Praise effort more than perfection. Learning should always feel fun. Today we learned the letters S, A, then we blended them into words like sat, sit, tan, ant, pan, tin. You're making wonderful progress. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Pearls Valley Phonics Academy, and share it with another parent or teacher. Next Saturday, we'll continue with the next group of See you in the next lesson!